Anthony, well, one question I had written down that I didn't get a chance to ask yet is, what is the one industry that you think would be prime to take advantage of drones that has been the slowest to adopt?
Public safety. I think they're dipping their toes into, they're probably the laggard behind in all of the different industries and all the different verticals of taking advantage of the technology. I forgot what year this was. I think it was last year. We did turned out to be a search and recovery out in Amboy, out in California, and in a desert. And I mean, the public officials were very, helpful and nice and receptive, but I mean, they basically had been looking for this person by helicopter. Helicopters just, they're up so high, and it's hard to see a lot of stuff from a helicopter. So I mean, I think an adoption could have happened quicker there to bring in drones to go at a lower altitude. And I'm not trying to imply in any way that the result would have changed, but I mean, it was just interesting that consideration had never been given to. It was the first they had heard of. They had thought to think of that idea was to use drones. So.
Because it can be so much lower. Is that type of work that you're talking about similar to what happened in like Houston when you guys went out there and looking for stuff?
Right. I mean, you can fly a drone a lot closer, obviously, to the ground. Yeah, obviously, you have to stay at a certain level closer to the ground, but the images are easier to see, and it's easier to spot things. Like when you're doing a roof inspection post-hurricane kind of a thing, you don't want to have a hurricane go over the roof. You need a drone to go over the roof and take pictures and show you all the damage to the roof. We do a lot of roof inspections, and for a company, one of our clients does software, and they take our results and put it into analysis for big insurance companies. And you couldn't do that same work by helicopter. You have to do it by a drone. And I think the adoption of drones into public safety could go at a quicker pace than what it is.
Interesting.
Very rad. Anthony, it's been a total awesome few minutes talking with you, meeting you, and learning about the drone industry. And I hope that we have convinced Mr. Timothy Ryan to sign up for that race. He seems a little still on the fence, even though he says he's ready. But it's been a lot of fun. It's been exciting to see DroneUp do what they've been doing, and continued success there. And if you guys are interested, go to droneup.com to check them out. If you have a drone and are, what is it, a 107 pilot?
That's right. Get your license and sign up and download the DroneUp app.
There you go. Anthony, it's been awesome. Tim, always good to see you. Until next time.
Nice meeting you guys. Nice talking to you.